Do you recognize this awesome cake? The Incredibles! Aren't they so cool? All right, let's start with our basic cake. And our creamy, creamy frosting. Num, 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 num. Whatever flavor you love. Spread it in. Now we're gonna do up the sides with lots and lots of frosting. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Leave us an awesome comment. Oh, it's gonna look so good. I bet it tastes delicious. All right, now we're gonna start up with our modeling. And our nosy. And our eyeballs. Remember, you can always play with Play-Doh and practice. Just don't eat the Play-Doh. Are you ready for a trivia question today? What was the 50th state in the U.S.? Make sure you watch till the end to find out the answer. Or if you think you already know it, pop it in the comments. See if you're right at the end. Who do you think we're making now? Did you say Mr. Incredible? With his big six-pack? Rawr, so big and strong. He's so cool. What would you do if you were that strong? Would you pick up cars? Maybe airplanes? That'd be so cool. You could even pick up your house even. All right, lots and little pieces for him. Don't worry, it'll look super cool once it's all put together. Add our paint. And our mask. Wow! He's gonna be so cool! And a little bit of hair. So awesome! He's Mr. Incredible! Now your texture. Make sure not to get your hands in the wet paint. Wow! So cool! Who's your favorite character in The Incredibles? Is it Mr. Incredible? Mrs. Incredible? What about Jack? Or Violet? Or maybe you love Dash, because he runs so fast. Wow, look at him come together! Now he's starting to look good. And his hands. So awesome. You can always cut out the extra if you ever need to. Just be careful. Now our logo. You know the Incredibles logo. Super awesome. Remember, if you love watching these awesome videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss any awesome cakes. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us who your favorite Incredibles character is. There's Mrs. Incredible. She's getting her awesome mask too. Because remember, they have to hide their identity. They don't want the bad guys to know who they really are. That would be so bad. Whose superhero power is your favorite? Would you rather be strong? Or flexible? Or maybe fast? Or invisible? Would you like to be invisible? That'd be kind of cool, huh? Wow, she's looking so good! Time for Baby Jack Jack! Baby Jack Jack's super awesome. He's got so many powers. Do you remember watching him go after that raccoon? That was so crazy! Wow! Lots of details. And his mask. Because even Baby needs a mask. Get him all straightened out. Now we're going to start piecing them together. He looks so awesome. Aww, cute little baby. Do you like babies? Or maybe just baby dolls. Those are fun to play with. Aw, and his little hair. Kinda looks like a unicorn, huh? That'd be awesome to be a unicorn. That would be an awesome superpower. Aww. Alright, let's start putting them all together so they can get on the cake. Aww. Look how cute they are. Add on those hands. Alright, the answer to our trivia question, what is the 50th state in the U.S.? Did you guess Hawaii? Because you're right, it's Hawaii! Alright, now we're gonna make some bubbles with all of our letters. Add some fun texture while you cut. That says The Incredibles! Time to start making our cake. Put it all together. You so excited to see it all finished? Super exciting! Aww, sparkle sticks with stars and confetti. Lots of confetti. And our The Incredibles! So awesome! Remember, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us in the comments what your favorite part was. Don't they look so fun? All finished! All done! Ta-da!